video, I will show you how to use CamStudio to record what you're doing on your desktop. You should have already downloaded CamStudio using the link on the blog. Once you've done that and installed CamStudio, click Start and open up the CamStudio window. Once you open up CamStudio, you'll see a number of different buttons and some menu options. Some of the things you might want to consider before you start to record. In region, you can decide which places you want to record on your desktop. If you select region, it will allow you to decide the region and draw a box around the area that you want to record. If you do a fixed region, there'll be a pre-selected frame that will show up, and full screen will record everything on your desktop. In options, there are 3 record options. Do not record audio is the default, so if you're planning to have audio in your video, you're going to have to either select record audio from microphone or record audio from speakers. If you don't have a microphone, select the last one. Once you've made any changes that you want to make in CamStudio, all you have to do is click the red button to record. The next one is pause, and the blue box is stop. So we'll click record. And since I made the decision to select region as the area that we'll record, I'm now going to take this cursor, you can see that it looks different from the normal one, and draw the area that I want to record. It usually works best to keep the recording interface out of the area that you want to use, but it's up to you. So right now the CamStudio is recording. You can see that it's gone down to a small icon down here, and if you right click it, there are some controls that you can use. So if you want to show your students how to go to a web page, maybe to take a test, you could open up Firefox or Internet Explorer, whatever you're using, and you can show them how to go to whatever website you need. So if you want them to find a video, you could do it right along with them, go to the results, and it will take you to that web page. As with the smartboard tools, you can also show them how to use any desktop application, like Word. You can also show them how to use PowerPoint. So anything you can do on your computer, you can show the students how to do using CamStudio. Once you're finished recording, you can click on this window, or you can just use the small icon and click stop. Once you stop it, CamStudio will prompt you to save the file. So if you choose to save it to your desktop, you can save it as, I'm choosing to save mine as CamStudio. Just click save. The program will compress the audio and turn it into a usable video for you. And the nice thing about CamStudio is that it opens the video up in its own player. So we talked before about the smartboard tools. It opens up in Windows Media Player, which can be a little clunky sometimes. CamStudio opens it up in its own viewer. So the controls are right up here. They're pretty simple. So all you have to do is click play, and it will play the video in this window. So that is how you use CamStudio to record your desktop.